state government should look into the matter. The security of casinos here. We are opposed to casinos, no doubt, but people who go there, whether they are adequately secure or not, there is a doubt. And there is no way of checking these things. The owners of casino perhaps may not be interested in having any security for obvious reasons. But the government should intervene and see that the tourists who visit the casinos remain safe. In general, Goa has to look after, review the security arrangements throughout, security especially in the coastal areas. We can't know, anything can happen. And it is known fact that we are not secure enough to protect the state from any terrorist attack.